Kraken Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Kraken are in the description. Kraken staking is a secure and efficient way to earn passive income on your crypto assets, designed for both beginners and advanced users looking for a reliable staking solution. With over a dozen supported assets, including Ethereum, ETH, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Tezos, XTZ, and Cosmos, TAS, Kraken offers competitive staking rewards with APYs ranging up to 20 cent, depending on the asset. Unlike traditional staking solutions that require technical expertise, Kraken makes it simple. Just hold eligible assets in your Kraken account, and staking rewards are automatically distributed. One of Kraken's biggest advantages is its on-chain and off-chain staking options. On-chain staking supports assets directly on their native blockchains, while off-chain staking lets users stake assets without locking them on-chain, providing more flexibility. Unlike some platforms that enforce strict lockup periods, Kraken allows users to unstake many assets instantly, ensuring quick access to funds when needed. Rewards are paid twice weekly, offering consistent earnings without unnecessary delays. Security is a major priority for Kraken. As a regulated exchange with industry-leading security measures, Kraken ensures funds remain safe through cold storage solutions, two-factor authentication, and strong compliance standards. This makes it one of the most trusted platforms for staking. Kraken also supports Ethereum 2.0 staking, allowing users to participate in the network upgrade while earning rewards. Unlike staking directly as a validator, Kraken simplifies ETH staking by offering low minimum staking requirements, making it accessible to all users. Additionally, the Kraken Pro interface provides detailed staking analytics for advanced users who want full visibility into their earnings. Overall, Kraken staking is one of the best options for users who want a secure, flexible, and high-reward staking experience. With regular payouts, no hidden fees, and a user-friendly experience, it's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced stakers. If you're looking for a reliable way to earn passive income on your crypto, Kraken is a strong contender. Links are in the description. Start staking today.